Hello everyone, my name is Jack Martin. I am a celebrity hairstylist with 35 years behind the chair. Today I have my beautiful client. Hi Yoni.
Hi Jack.
Tell me a little bit about your hair. What do you have in mind?
I would love to add some volume. I love when my layers just kind of come out and play out in that voluminous hair shape. I would love to add some volume on the back just to give my head a nice shape.
Great, I want to introduce you to a new product. It's AstroLift reparative volume spray. And we can spray it on your roots all the way down to the length of your hair, and you're gonna really see a tremendous amount of volume. And it's gonna be so flexible because this product, it wouldn't leave any residue on your hair, and you're gonna fall in love with this product.
Yay.
Let's go do it.
All right.
So Yoni, I'm going to shampoo your hair with the K18 Detox Shampoo to deep cleansing your hair, to remove all the metals and the buildup from your hair. Now we're gonna do the K18 repair service. So we're gonna start with the first step is the mist. So I'm gonna part your hair in 4 quadrants, and we're gonna spray each section 10 to 20 sprays. Since you have long hair, we're gonna do 20 sprays per section. And now we just wait for 4 minutes for the peptide to penetrate into your hair. Now we're gonna move to the second step, the K18 leave-in mask. On you, I'm gonna be using today 1 pump on your ends, 1 pump on mid-shaft, and 1 pump on the roots and the crown area. And now we're just gonna wait for 4 minutes for the peptide to penetrate into your hair. After I applied the leave-in mask, your hair combs so easily. I'm gonna grab the AstroLift. I'm gonna start using it on your wet hair right now. Shake it very well before you spray it. Make sure when you use it, keep it away from the hair 4 to 6 inches. I spray it on the roots all the way down to the whole length. I'm gonna start blow drying your hair. The technique I'm gonna use, I wanna do round brushes because I'm always aiming to more like a natural style, something you're more comfortable with. We finish blow drying your hair. I wanna grab the AstroLift again and show you how we can use it on dry hair. Again, we shake the bottle very well, and I wanna aim it on your crown area. And it dries so quickly, does not leave any stickiness to the hair. Your hair is gonna be so movable, lightweight, get the bounciness in your hair, and so healthy.
Yeah. I think I did not expect it to go that much up in volume, so I'm very happy with the results.
And you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Thank you very
I love
much
it.
for coming to see me.
Thank you.